The common law system in the United States has historical roots in English law, particularly the Magna Carta of 1215, which laid foundational principles of justice and individual rights. While the Magna Carta was created to address specific grievances between King John of England and his barons, its broader principles influenced the development of legal systems in England and, later, the U.S. Key connections between the Magna Carta and U.S. common law. Rule of law. The Magna Carta established the idea that everyone, including the king, is subject to the law. This concept is central to the U.S. legal system, emphasizing that no one is above the law. Due process. Clauses like the famous Clause 39 of the Magna Carta laid the groundwork for due process, ensuring that legal actions must follow established laws and cannot be arbitrary. In the U.S., due process is enshrined in the 5th and 14th Amendments of the Constitution. Trial by jury. Although not explicitly a modern jury system, the Magna Carta hinted at the importance of fair trials. This influenced the American concept of a jury trial, as guaranteed by the 6th and 7th Amendments. Note, a trial by jury is by use of a common law court versus a jury trial that is by use of a court of legal. Habeas corpus. The principle of protection against unlawful detention, a concept central to habeas corpus, finds its early roots in the Magna Carta. It is now a fundamental right under U.S. law. Separation of powers. While not explicitly stated in the Magna Carta, its challenge to the absolute authority of the monarch influenced the development of checks and balances in governance. This became a core aspect of the U.S. Constitution. Influence on American founding documents. Declaration of Independence, 1776 reflects ideas of individual rights and liberty stemming from the Magna Carta's challenges to absolute power. U.S. Constitution, 1787 incorporates principles of governance, law, and rights traceable to the Magna Carta. Bill of Rights, 1791 many specific rights, such as protection against excessive fines or cruel and unusual punishment, mirror concepts from the Magna Carta. Legacy in common law. The Magna Carta's influence on English common law shaped early American legal traditions. As the U.S. adopted a common law system, these principles became embedded in the judiciary's interpretation of laws and individual rights. Even today, the Magna Carta is often referenced as a symbol of liberty and justice in the common law tradition. As further proof, the Common Law Plaque, in Virginia. Here the common law of England was established on this continent with the arrival of the first settlers on May 13, 1607. The first charter granted by James I to the Virginia Company in 1606 declared that the inhabitants of the colony shall have and enjoy all liberties, franchises and immunities as if they had been abiding and born within this realm of England. Since Magna Carta the common law has been the cornerstone of individual liberties, even as against the Crown. Summarized later in the Bill of Rights, its principles have inspired the development of our system of freedom under law, which is at once our dearest possession and proudest achievement. Presented by the Virginia State Bar, May 17, 1959.